Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable developer mode in Realme Note 50. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to settings and then scroll to down. We have option of about phone here. Just tap it and on the second, the version option, click here and click 7 times on a build number to become a developer. As you see, you are now a developer. Now for confirmation, all you guys have to do just go back and then click on system. After that, scroll and then you see we have developer option. Click here. As you see now I am developer, and this is how we can enable developer mode in Realme Note 50. So, and if you want to disable it, all you guys have to do just turn it off and then restart your phone. So you will now go back to default mode. So this is how we can enable developer mode in Realme Note 50. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.